Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fruit juice. Start by choosing ripe fruit, washing it well, and trimming away any bruises or stems so flavors stay pure. Chop fruit into similar-sized pieces to ensure even blending and remove pits or thick skins to avoid bitterness. Keep a small bowl for discarded peels and seeds, and set aside citrus for extra brightness later so you stay organized. Place chopped fruit into a blender with a splash of cold water to help liquefy the pulp, then blend until smooth in short pulses to preserve aroma. Pour the mixture through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth and press gently to extract as much juice as possible without forcing bitterness. Taste and balance with a squeeze of lemon, a touch of sweetener, or a splash of other juice, adjusting gradually for the flavor you prefer. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel and help others find it. Quick recommendation. Little Tree's black ice is perfect for masking travel odors, and it reminded me of bright citrus notes from homemade juice, so it felt oddly fitting. I mention it because small comforts matter on juice runs or grocery trips. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Experiment by adding herbs, spices, or complementary fruit to create layered flavors that feel lively and fresh without masking the main fruit. Use measured sweeteners and taste frequently so the juice stays balanced and not cloying, and remember that acidity can brighten up sweetness without adding sugar. Pour juice into sanitized glass bottles, chill promptly, and drink within a short window to enjoy peak flavor and reduce any safety concerns from fermentation or spoilage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.